So we are here today in Blackpool and which is close to South Beach, and here we are today going to attend the South Pier. So let's see, let's go for a walk South Pier. Here's the entrance of the South Pier and we are going for a walk, South Pier walk. Let's
Please take action and achieve their goals. This summer sport will be unmissable. So here's how sports-loving Jamie Theakston to show why youth is an essential.
you want to go for a second? Yeah, you guys play this kind of game. That's another game. Funny game. Let's go outside of here. Yeah, but again, like,
Bride's in a new answer.
yeah. So we are going for a walk South Pier beach here, and that's the house.
There's a tram also going.
The tram going, and the upside down house that we have visited recently. You can see in my previous video the inside tour of the upside down house. And now we are covering the South Pier beach here, walking to South Pier beach. And you can see here's the Blackpool Tower in front of us.
There's a central pier where we see the view.
Yeah, next to the wheel, the central pier. And let's see and enjoy this South Pier walk. Yeah, here you can eat burger, lot of stuff for eating, playing games, casinos, lot of stuff here. Plenty of activity. Just wanting to come here. Blackpool South Pier. If you want a picture here, you can stand there. Heart of South Pier, welcome South Pier.
Yeah. See, it's so lovely.
This is where we are in South Pier Walk. And that's the house, the upside down house. Yeah, full of rides. You know, there are so many adventure activities if you're coming to Blackpool. There are three piers: South Pier, Central Pier, and then you have a North Pier. So we covered today South Pier, and there's so many activities you can do here. Skyscraper, yeah. In the front of that's a dangerous walk. next to the sea. Man, you need some skill to walk here.